We were here a couple of days back and we reported how this is one of the worst affected areas. Even though waterlogging on the street where I'm standing at has reduced considerably, there are issues like garbage and garbage accumulation that still need to be tackled. In fact, it's turning out to be a major challenge for the city corporation to clear garbage which we see strewn around not just in this particular neighborhood but all across the city of Chennai, which also tells us about the threat of diseases cropping up and its epidemic spread, as this is a common sighting all across, like I said, in several other neighborhoods of Saidapet as well. Now, the proximity of this locality, this neighborhood to the river Adiyar has made it amongst the worst victims, and the people here continue to be left wanting for power. Power was taken off about a week ago. Last Tuesday, midnight was when the power was cut off. Almost a week later, people are still forced to live without power. We are entering the home of one of the residents in this particular area to try and get a real sense of how life has been over the last week.
We actually have bore water supply from our sump, and but for the past few days we are not able to pump out water from the sump as there is no power. We only have one hand pump which is at the back side of our house. We get water for around 1.5 to 2 hours only, that too on alternate days. So in these days, since the groundwater is contaminated, we are not able to ensure that that water is pure. So we are in a need to use the RO purifier. But yesterday we had only 30 minutes of power, and in that time I was able to store only that much. So everywhere we have been storing water, and then we have been getting this distillery waters and everything. So still we are not able to get pure drinking water for cooking and for drinking purpose also.